Now I show you how to adjust the day and date. Pull out the cloud. There only one level, so you go back to the 8 o'clock. You can see I go back to the before the 8 o'clock. The date already changed back to the position. If you want to adjust the date only, so you until here, you go back to the 12 o'clock. You can see the day adjusted, but the date is adjusted, but the day is not adjusted. So this method from before 8 to almost 12 o'clock is adjust the date. If you want to adjust the day, you need to go back. You see the date already back to the position, but the day is not. So you need to go back before 8 o'clock. You can see the day is already back to the position. So you now call back to, I think almost 10 o'clock, 10:30 something, 10:30. You can see almost 10:30, the day is already adjusted. So if you want to only adjust the day around right 8 o'clock, before 8, I think 9:30 to the 10:30. So you adjust again, the dash is adjusted. So if you're using this method, you can adjust the day and date. So that's all.